Merry Christmas!
Hi, come on in. Welcome to day 20 of Vlogmas, the 20th day of Advent, and of a Crochet Christmas Corner. Now today it'll be slightly different, so without further ado, we'll just go straight into our crochet project and let's see what's behind door number 20. Today it's a little bit different. I don't have something physical that I've made for my Crochet Christmas Corner. I'm putting up a couple of photos. I will put the tutorials linked below that can take you to them to see them. What I'm going to do is for the Christmas table. So I have a couple of little ideas of things that you can crochet for that, because I thought it'd be nice to have something for that, but it's not really something that can go in my corner, but I wanted to include them in my Christmas Vlogmas. So the first one is this lovely cutlery and napkin holder. I think it looks absolutely lovely, very, very festive, really, really nice. Quite quick and easy to make up as well, and looks really good. The next one is this table mats, and again, very festive, can be made in different colors, so therefore it can match whichever table you're looking for, and your colors and so on, and your scheme that you will have with it. And those look, I think, really nice again, really festive, and would enhance any Christmas table. And the third one that I have for yourself today is this table runner. And again, it looks really, really nice. And all of these are used just to finish off your Christmas table. And all these three would really look nice on your table. Now, obviously, I'm not saying you need to have all three, but I do think that sometimes, depending if you can match the colours and so on, they would look lovely. And I do think it enhances your table to have nice Christmassy, festive looking table decorations. And I think it's lovely to have homemade crocheted items on it, as opposed to sometimes the paper and the plastic and those sorts of things that we can often end up with on our table. So this is just a really quick one today. We have been out all day, and it's been a really enjoyable day. But obviously that limited the time I had for putting together a Vlogmas. So I want to thank you again for joining me, for keeping me company, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow.